here. Nice.
I'm busy.
Is that the new one? His new main squeeze. There you go. Cheers, guys. There we go. Today it's finishing up the Suzuki. Hi guys, we're gonna fix this thing. We've got a couple of videos made already why we're replacing it. We're gonna give you some insights and show you what it looks like, why we're replacing it. Probably not necessary, but just to be safe, we're gonna do that. We ordered a couple of bolts, gold colored, because because of the fall it was damaged. Now we lost a bolt, so we have to do something else, and we'll replace that later. So today we're gonna put on the cover. We're gonna redo the seals on the forks. And what else we're gonna do, guys?
Yeah, that's about it.
That's about it. And then we'll use liquid gasket to seal it up. But we have to wait 24 hours to make sure it's good and dry before we put the oil in. And then, which will probably go about tomorrow. So we're gonna show you what the damage is and why we're replacing the cover. Okay, so Bart, show us the cover that's damaged.
Alright, that's a damaged cover with the old bolts for measure. It's dented and scratched. Too thin to polish that out. So I got a new one.
It's a little too bright. Can you get the light out?
Yeah, I can get a light out. No problem. So I got this one.
So that's all
polished.
Scratched up. And what's the inside?
But the inside's okay.
No, the old one.
The old one. Yeah. I got all the bolts in. So.
Oh yeah. Okay. So now you can't really see anything, but at the bottom, right about here, we notice that there's some kind of damage. So it looks like it's starting to push in. So just to be sure.
It's used in automotive for the cylinder covers. No, not the cover. The
This stuff is great.
it's fucking expensive too.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, how much is that little tube that you got now?
I
Cost
think
about
€40.
No way.
No way.
It would have been cheaper just to buy a gasket.
Yeah, but it's free.
Aha! There you go.
I got it from a friendly workshop that I come around. I buy parts from those guys for cars for about 20 years. They kindly donated.
They're our sponsor.
That's what we need. A sponsor.
I go as our sponsor. If it looks stupid, well, it works. It's not stupid.
That's
No,
right.
This kind of gasket is, if it doesn't harden through, so if it comes between the wheels,
It just
somewhere it just
grinds
grinds
it up
up.
into little pieces.
Yeah.
Really soft rubber.
Yeah.
Sure is windy. What's Kiara? That's a wind. The storm's called Kiara here in the Netherlands.
And you know why it's called Kiara? Because it's a woman's
it's
name.
A low pressure.
It's
The high pressures they call them. They give it the male name, and here in Holland, this is the first time they used a name for a storm here in the Netherlands. So I read.
Do we care? Not at least.
No. That's the rain. But at 130, 140 km/h gusts. What are you doing, Marvin?
You push it down and you can see the oil.
That's gonna take a while.